Wire-tailed manakins are a really interesting species of bird. Two males will do these very ritualized dances, and these are really unique behaviors in nature where we have male partners displaying with each other. So they're actually cooperating to attract females. My name is Brant Ryder, and I'm a research ecologist with the Smithsonian Conservation Biology Institute. We've been trying to study the hormonal basis of what drives cooperative behavior in wire-tailed manakins. This research is going to highlight not only the benefits of engaging in those types of cooperative behaviors, but help us understand what drives those behaviors in individuals. And this morning we're going to do some bird banding. We have a number of tools that we use for measuring the birds, their bills and their legs and their wings. It's like a short doctor's visit. We're about to put a coded tag on this bird. This is the way we're collecting data on who interacts with who. So this tag will emit a signal about every 20 seconds. And anytime this male comes into close proximity to the receiver that we put in his territory, it will pick him up. The other individuals who interact with him will also have tags, and so when they're present together, they'll both get pinged by the receiver. So we give the birds a little juice after their doctor's visit. It's kind of like you would get juice after you give blood at the blood bank. So this here is the whip antenna that's used to detect the male when he's in close proximity to the receiver. We try to put this antenna in relatively close proximity to the male's display perch. And his display perch happens to be right down here. It's a nice location for him. We can download the data from these receivers which have been sitting out in the forest for 7 to 10 days. Hopefully there's been some detections of this male. I actually think he might be around right now. See if we can hear him. And there he is. That clicking noise kind of sounds like a cricket. And the tag is pinging every 20 seconds. One of the things that this technology enables us to do is actually measure which males are friends with other males and how often do they spend time together. And we can then correlate those types of behaviors with the hormone data that we're collecting when we take blood samples from individual birds. We're collecting these hormone samples to measure testosterone in male manakins. And so we found some really interesting results. In non-territorial males, we see testosterone actually promoting cooperative behavior, which is counter to everything we think about when we think about testosterone. It's normally the aggression hormone. And in territorial males, the older males, testosterone actually has that effect. Males that have higher testosterone, they have reduced cooperative behavior. Engaging in these social partnerships actually helps males climb the social ladder. These young males will form these partnerships with older males, and the more partnerships they have, the more likely they are to climb the social ladder, if you will, and ascend to territorial status. From the territorial male perspective, those males who have lots of other male partners actually have higher reproductive success. They're beautiful birds. We're also interested in conserving this behavioral diversity. If we don't understand the basic biology of these species, there's no way for us to protect and conserve the biodiversity on our planet.